Come here, look at this. Shh.
And then Hansel and Gretel
and pushed the wicked old woman into the oven,
and the godless witch was miserably burned to death.
Let me get this straight. The story is about cannibalism and burning people alive.
Yeah.
No wonder kids are so messed up.
Getting along is exhausting.
Backyard Tim.
You should have seen your face in that picture. You were all...
I'm not used to being tickled. Once at a corporate retreat. But those things always get weird.
What? You never been tickled? What about your parents? Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. You didn't have parents, did you?
Tim, I may look like a baby, but I was born all grown up.
I can't even imagine not being a kid. You missed out on your whole childhood. You never had someone to love you.
Well, you can miss what you never had.